One owner. 3.0-liter V6 engine, 4-door, Laredo package, automatic transmission center console shifter, 4x4 4-wheel drive trail rated, dual power heated seats, gray and black leather seats buckets, second row bench seating, power acoustic TV and divide rear entertainment system TV DVD player raise, power moonroof sunroof, Sirius satellite radio capabilities, towing package, receiverage and wiring, heated power mirrors, white leather Goodyear Forterra P245/65R17 tires, factory alloy RAMS, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry with factory remote start, 6-disc in-dash CD changer, CD player, Boston Premium Audio Sound System, auxiliary jack, manual raised rear gate and glass, side airbags curtain airbags, power pedals, multi-function steering wheel, driver information center, home link system with 3 programmable lighting, security, garage buttons, LATCH child safety system, rear window defroster, compass and outside temperature display, fog lights, tinted windows, roof rack, WeatherTech all-weather floor mats, air, cruise control, tilt, power locks, power windows. This SUV is eligible for a 100,000-mile parts and service agreement. One owner. Very clean inside and out. Runs and drives excellent. This is one of the sharpest 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee diesel we have ever had on our lot. Make your move before this super clean 4WD with sunroof moonroof. Call now. 1-866-606-9906. View our complete inventory of around 500 vehicles at www.lenzauto.com. If you are looking for financing, Lenz Truck Center can help. We have on-the-spot financing. Bad credit or good, we will work with your 17 banks to get you approved and for a great rate. If you live far away or close to us, we make it our promise to make sure you are a happy customer before, during, and after the sale. Lenz Truck Center has been in business and family-owned for 25 years. With a new generation taking over, we plan on making this the place you and your children buy their next vehicle. Lenz Truck Center is the country's fastest growing dealership. Lenz Truck Center has grown from about a 40 vehicle inventory in 1999 to over 400 today. Our selection is unmatched in the industry with more high-quality used diesel trucks than anyone in the Midwest. All here in Fond du Lac. Why? All of our vehicles are Lenz certified and ready to be delivered. Disclaimer: dealers shall in no way be held liable for any errors or omissions to be found on these web pages. All prices are plus any applicable state taxes and service fees. We will do our best to keep all information current and accurate, however the dealership should be contacted for final pricing and availability.